Okay, here's a quick little overview of sessions. Now remember, one of the big features of PHP or any language similar is we have the opportunity to overcome the stateless nature of HTTP, which normally a server can't keep track of one web request to another or one round trip to the server to the next. Yet we do have some things that will facilitate that in PHP. Here's an example of we're going to use sessions, and sessions are one way in which we can overcome the stateless nature. Essentially, we start with this PHP built-in function called session start, and that says, hey, I'm going to register some session variables. Then I go through and I start assigning them. Notice that this is very similar in syntax to how we refer to $_server variables. So these are special PHP built-in variables, part of the super globals array. So I'm registering variable 1, setting equal to the string, variable 2 to a number, variable 3 maybe to an array of some sort. And then we'll just spit those out and take a look at them. And then I'll load up another page and see if I can retrieve those values. And the way in which we retrieve those values are, we start up the session, and I'm just going to print these out. I'm just doing a print our $_session, and that's it. And then I can start removing, if I need to remove a particular variable, I can say session unregister variable 1, and then I'll show that to you again. And then if I want to destroy the entire session, I can just call session destroy, and then I'll show you the session again. So what that looks like on the browser is this. I'll go back to my sessions 1 page. So I've set these variables. Those are my session variables. I go to page 2, and we can still see those session variables. After I unset variable 1, that's what it looks like. Session destroy is unique. This is actually destroyed, but I still see it there until I load this page again. And now the session is gone. And in the next lecture, we might see why a practical application of how I use sessions.